Okay, so this is for table number 2 in your worksheet number 5. Getting the discount NIP rate or net invoice price rate and the discount. Okay? So there are several steps to do this. Ano muna yung list price? So para din tong original price, ito yung presyo mismo ng bibilihin natin. Let's say gamot mula sa Mercury, bibili isang senior citizen. Okay? Magkakaroon siya ng series of discounts. Matatanggal yung tax, which is 12%, at meron pa siyang 20% na discount as a senior citizen. So, series discount yun. Okay? O kaya naman, dun sa ibang mga sale, meron na siyang 10% discount, tapos babay ka pa ulit, sasabihin sa'yo, you still have an additional 5% after that. That is a series discount. So, let's start with getting the discount NIP rate or net invoice price rate. Since yun ay rate, percent lagi makukuha natin. Nagsisimula tayo sa 5% and 3%. Okay? Step number 1, we will have to to get the equivalent of 5% and 3% sa totoong presyo na kukuhanin natin. So, yung 100%, ima-minus natin yung 5%. Ang makukuha natin dyan ay 95%. The next one will be yung 3%. Kukunin ulit natin yung equivalent ng 3% sa totoong presyo. That's 100% minus 3%, and you have 97%. Okay? So, that is the actual amount na kailangan mo pagbayaran. Kasi kung magdi-discount ka ng 5%, ibig sabihin, ang babayaran mo na lang ay 95%. Kung may discount ka na 3%, ang babayaran mo ay 97%. Diba? Subtraction from the 100% na yun. So, this 95% and 97%, this is step number 1. This is how we get the NIP rate. Step 1 ha. Sulat natin step 1 para hindi kayo malito. So, step 1. Ayaw na magsulat. Okay. Step 1. Step 1. So, this is step 1 yan. Lagyan natin para mas malinaw. Okay. Now, let's go to step 2. From this, we will multiply the 95% and the 97%. So, yung 100 mo, ima-minus mo rin mo naman yung 0.95 times 0.97. Lagyan natin ng 0 para hindi kayo malito. Saan ang galing yung 0.95 sa 95%? Saan ang galing yung 0.97 sa 97%? Ang ginawa lang natin, change siya to decimal, tapos i-multiply muna silang dalawa bago nyo siya i-subtract to 100. So, having this, you'll have 100 minus 0.95 times 0.97. So, let's have our calculator for that. Okay, you have 0.95 times 0.95 times 0.97, that's 9215 times 100, 92.15. Okay, so that gives you 92.15 minus 92.15. Okay, nakalimutan ko pala dito, nalalagyan nyo ng times 100 after nyo siyang makuha. Ito, no? So, let's put here a bracket para mas makita. Okay, let's put a bracket here. Okay, and then, paliitin natin. Yan. So, that's step number 2. You multiply 0.95 times 0.97 times 100 and subtract that to 100 or from 100. And so, your answer will now be equal to 7.85. That 7.85% will go now to your discount NIP rate. Yan. 7.85%. So, there are 2 steps to do that. Okay? And then, for the net invoice price, This 7.85, nakuha natin, mas madali nyo makukuha yung net invoice price kung kukunin muna natin yung discount. Pwede natin itong gamitin, yung dalawang ways on how to do that. It's either you multiply the 7.85% to 1.5. Pag ginawa nyo yun, 1,500 times 0.0785. Saan ang galing yung 0.0785? Dito sa 7.85. Move to decimal point to the left, or 7.85 divided by 100, and you will get the discount. The discount will now be equal to, let's use again our calculator to solve for that. Okay, 1,500 times 0.0785 gives you 117.75. Saan natin yan ilalagay? Hindi sa net invoice price, pero ilalagay natin yan dito sa may discount. Yun ang discount na nakuha natin. Again, that amount is equivalent to 117.75. So, magkano na lang ang pagbabayaran natin? That's the net invoice price. Yung discount, ima-minus natin sa list price. So, to find the net invoice price, so lagyan natin to ng label. This one is for the discount, which is equal to the discount, the list price, okay, times the discount net rate. Okay, so that is list price times the DNP, okay, over 100. Kasi kailangan decimal point. So, dyan natin nakuha ang ating 117.75. Para naman makuha yung net invoice price, okay, ang isusulat naman natin dyan, okay, net invoice price or NIP, equal lang yan sa list price minus the discount. Okay, so to find that, it has 1,500 minus 117.75, and you will get this equal to 1,382.25. Ang pagbabayaran na lang ay 1,382.25, and that will be copied here sa ating net invoice price. See? So, list price, the series of discount. Kukunin muna natin yung discount NIP rate. Yung 5%, 95%, yung 3%, 97%. Pag mumultiply natin silang dalawa na nakadecimal, saka natin ita-times sa 100. Pagkatapos, ima-minus natin from 100. Okay? And then, makukuha natin yung discount NIP rate. Discount NIP rate times 1.5 will give you the discount. L minus date discount will give you naman the net invoice price. Okay, so that's how you're going to do activity number 5 ito, table 2 of week number 5.